Here's a pair of Bose Quietcomfort headphones. This will also work for the Bose QC35 as well as the 45 headphones. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a PS5 via Bluetooth. Now for me to connect my Bluetooth headphones to my PS5, I had to buy this by Avantree. This is the C81. It's a Bluetooth transmitter, and this one does support aptX, the low latency. All right. Out of this box, you get a Bluetooth transmitter. It is USB-C, so we can plug that right into our USB-C port onto our PS5. Also comes with an adapter here, which I don't need. And you do get a mic on here as well. If you want to be able to chat in the PS5 or whatnot, you can just plug that into your controller. So first thing, let's get this hooked up to the Bluetooth headphones, and then we'll do the mic later. Okay, so first thing is go ahead and grab your Bluetooth transmitter here. And only one side here will have like a light blinking. Let's say so this top side here. So I want to put it in like that so I can see the light blinking. And you have a little button right here too for the pairing. So let me plug these in first. I just heard that on my PS5. Of course, make sure your PS5 is on so this can get power. And you can see it's blinking blue. What we need to do is get this to be blinking blue, white, indicating it's in pairing mode. Okay, so first thing, let's go ahead and grab our headphones here. And let's put these in a pairing mode first, okay? So you'll know these are in pairing mode when it's blinking blue here, okay? So let me turn these on first with this button here. Let me turn it on. Okay, so it's on. It's already in pairing mode. If you're just not in pairing mode, it's not blinking blue right here. Just this button here, press to the right and hold it, and just wait till it starts blinking blue. Okay, anyway, it's in pairing mode. Now I'm gonna put this one into pairing mode, okay? I'll know this is in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, white. So I'm gonna press and hold this button right there, press and hold. Wait, okay, now it's, oh, let me do it again. Okay, actually it just connected, okay? It was only on Bluetooth for like a second and it connected. I get two solid lights here. And now after a second, this light will stay blue and this will stay white, okay? So I'm connected, but the sound's not coming out of the headphones yet, okay? So now you need to go to the PS5, you need to go ahead and log in, and then we have to go to settings, okay? So we're gonna go to the settings, the gear icon, top right hand side. So let me go up, let me go all the way over to settings right there. And then from here, what you wanna do, just go down to sound, right there, click on OK on the remote, and then move over, go down to audio output first, okay? You can see the output device is going to my HDMI. I want to change that. So let me move over to the right. Let me click on that. And now I'm going to go ahead and move up to USB headset Avantree C81. Let me click on that right there. And you can see that change. And also down here, switch output device automatically. You want to make sure that this is off, okay? Okay, so I have the headphones on right now and I can hear it. So it's working. So the headphones are now, these are connected. To increase or decrease the volume on the headphones, we're going to go over here and you want to go down to volume right here, okay? And then you want to go ahead and increase or decrease right there, okay? Now also, if you want to be able to chat in the game using that little mic, that little piece here, all you got to do is pop it into here, make sure it's all the way in, just like that. And then once it's in, it should already be working here, but you can also do this. We can go back up here to microphone and then move over, make sure that it's on Avantree 81, and then you can adjust mic level right here. If I click on there, and it's not working because I was using a different remote. Let me take this off. Let me plug this one in here. Okay, testing 1, 2, and then you can go ahead and adjust down there as well. Anyway, the mic's connected. The audio is coming out of the Bluetooth speakers here, and there you go. Questions or issues, just comment below. Also, if you couldn't get these to connect or whatnot, you can always factory reset these. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these if you have trouble connecting. I had issues in the beginning. I had to factory reset these and then it connected. Okay, good luck, guys.